Hello children, today we will be eating a mixture of bird food from my lovely birdie. Oh, it's called Joey. Joey, give us a kiss. Give us a kiss. Oh, friend and discovery, Joey kiss, I'm bored of finding that. And some lovely fish food, more fish food. It's like pure cool flavour. And yeah, so let's get to work. So let's. Right, Joey, we're gonna go. Good Joey. Good Joey. So let's get some seeds from our budget dispenser. Sugar. Oh, okay, budgie. Got some. Cheers! Bye bye, say bye bye to the camera. We're gonna take some of your fantastic fish food.
Goldfish
and
flakes.
it's not like Ben and Jerry's fish food.
It's like actual that main stuff that fish eat.
This could kill us. This is life threatening.
Is it?
I have no idea.
I don't want to eat it.
It's not. It says vegetarian on it.
Fish cereals.
Yay! In the ingredients it says this fish food had fish in it, so that's like the fish eating fish. That's
Carnivores!
like cannibalism.
Right, so if you can see my lovely mixtures
And
mixing
then
together.
some more fish pellets to our
Pellets are my favourites.
Then
Now we don't really have a drink on hand, so if we run away,
sorry,
I
can't really.
we just Joey will.
Giles said us. 3, 2. Tastes like sand. Just spit yours out.
I swallowed it.
Wow, it tastes like fish. I'm sorry, and like bird shit. Done, and don't try this at home.
Even though we are at home.